keep waiting for a place that feels like home. But every time we land, you're already gone.
I know I leave when things get hard to face.
You get restless,
I can't stay in one place.
I call it running,
I just call it a break.
but I come back every time you think I'm gone. We keep moving, nothing ever stays. Different towns, but we're the same. We've been through this too many times. I don't want this kind of life.
We pack it up, say this time we'll get it right again.
I think I'm getting tired of always moving around.
I wish that I
Could somehow just forget these years.